I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching you how to turn your essential oils into products that you can use every day in your home. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make your own body butter that has a lovely herbal aroma. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. So let's get started making this Apothecary Body Butter recipe from Simply Earth. Before I tell you what you'll need for this recipe, we are obsessed with teaching you how to create with your essential oils to make products that you can actually use. This recipe comes from the Simply Earth DIY Everyday Essentials box. Along with this body butter recipe, you can make 5 different recipes that are all natural that are themed to this box. Here's the catch. When you subscribe to this box, you'll get the key ingredients that you'll need to make this recipe and many more. Everything will be delivered right to your door. We'll even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You can also find the ingredients for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Now I'm gonna be grabbing my ingredients from the Simply Earth DIY Everyday Essentials box. All right, let's get started. First, we're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of solid coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of almond oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of beeswax. We're gonna add everything to a microwave safe container and we're gonna melt it in the microwave at 30-second intervals, making sure that we don't overheat it. All right, let's get started. We'll put in our 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil first. Now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of almond oil. And last but not least, 1/2 teaspoon of beeswax. All right, now I'm gonna pop this in the microwave and I'll be back when it is melted. All right, now that our ingredients are melted, we can add in our essential oils. So we are gonna add in 5 drops of each of our essential oils. So 5 of rosemary, 5 drops of patchouli, and patchouli and rosemary are very skin nourishing. So that's why we chose these oils. And 5 drops of basil. Basil also is a very skin nourishing oil. And this combination together smells absolutely phenomenal. All right, now I'm gonna add my 1 teaspoon of zinc oxide. You're gonna wanna stir this around a little bit to make sure that the chunks are dissolved. All right, now we are going to pour this into our 1-ounce amber glass jar. Voila, we're gonna let this cool, and as soon as it's cool, we can test it out. Don't forget to label it. All right, now that it's cooled, let's test it out. To use, you're gonna apply it to dry, irritated skin for a soothing effect. A note with this recipe, because of the zinc oxide in this recipe, it could leave a little bit of a white cast on your skin. I just wanted you to be aware of that. We love seeing all of your creations on social media, so go ahead and take a picture of your creation and tag from Simply Earth with the hashtag #IMadeThis so that we can see all of your lovely creations too. You could even be entered into our monthly giveaway, which would give you a $5 gift card that you can use on your next box or for another product on our website. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more natural recipes just like this and give us a thumbs up. See you later.